Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I have special, and guys, it's a bright morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And on today's videos are very special. And guys, let me take you outside. As you can see, the sky it's blue in color, and we have the small rounder right there. Actually, today I have something for my sister. She was from the kitchen. Come, like from other side. Say hello.
Hello,
You good?
I'm fine.
Okay, that is it. What's your name?
Mata Nyaboni.
Okay. Her name is Matanyabon, and actually we have only one sister. Wow. So if you're watching my videos on my last videos that I made with my sister, and she was my nice mom. She came to visit me at my village here home. So probably my sister was being given some maybe stuff like a plate to play with it. And right now after that, to handle those things to my sister, I want to have my breakfast right now. Wow. Okay, going to bring the cup. Yeah, you take come in your chai. So I'm telling my sister bring the cup. I want to take heavy breakfast, and maybe today it's a kind of a different breakfast. But man, it is what it is. We say God, thank you so much for the gift of life, man. To have something on table, and right here, oh man. So I will put it here. It's flop, waboba. Look right there. Oh, that's the cup. Thank you. So guys, me, these things I'm new. Like to throw a cup. Let's see, guys. It's a game for the kids. Even human being, they can play this game. Udake. You see? Haya, rusha tena kuja kwangu. Look. Yeah. Hizo sasa ni ya kurusha. You see? Like I'm telling her how to throw like cha. Look. Cha. Haya. Oh, right. That is it. Hii ni yako, chukua. And utunze. Eh?
Thank you.
You said?
Thank you.
Okay, you welcome, my sister. There's somebody calling me. Hello. Niko hapa hivi kwa nani mchewe hapa nikienda uko Ragana. Uko hivyo. Labda nikirudi baadaye. Oh guys. I was talking with Congrats mom. Alright, that is it. So probably let me have my breakfast as we keep rolling these videos to the end, man. This is how my house looks like. You see, we have the helmets right now here. Wow, that's my helmet. I have here a small stuff, flowers here. I have the glass table. I have the mat. So today I'm going to have some super organic breakfast. You know, wow, that's what I have right here. I'm telling you, man, these are sweet potatoes, and it's well cooked, you know, and it's so purely organic food that we have here in our village, man. And I'm share with you what I have on my table. So these are milk tea right here. I found my mama puts for me. Oh my god, guys, me I wanna say thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, man. You know, without you I couldn't manage maybe to make our videos, to share with you some love, you know. Wow. So that's my milk tea right here, direct from the cow. And the good thing about my videos, I make some videos my mama milking oh. Hello. Poa. Hapa niko hapa mchebe naelekea hivi hibo. Aya. Okay guys, that's another call from Dave Jr. Okay, so that being said, and ukunywa chai. I'm thinking we still go and drink tea. So that being said, guys, I made our videos showing you my mama milking the cow. So this is what we have from the cow. Milk tea, white one, you know. Big shout out to Dave Jr. So he was calling me and probably I'm on videos. So guys, this is what I have on my table. And when I take like this, man, we'll meet supper time. Wow guys, so let me pray for my food before we enjoy it. Alright guys, let's go. Let's go and enjoy the food, man. Oh, look, this is what we have. Wow, I'm telling you, oh my god, it's pure white. Look. Wow, let me taste. You see? Very nice. You know? It's so okay. All right. Let me test this. Look guys, this is what we have here. Well guys, down here we have the mat, and to prevent the coldness, like when you step on the tiles, it's cold. I decided to put the mats down here. These are pure mats. So guys, as I keep enjoying my breakfast, we shall meet on the next vlog while I'm taking outside. But probably let me finish eating. My food is on the table right here. This is what I have. In Swahili called viazi. You know, the viazi. Viazi means sweet potatoes. In our vernacular language, it's known as a mango. You know, a mango. Mango means sweet potatoes. Wow. So I'll take you outside, guys. Just a few minutes, guys. See you later after my breakfast. Oh man, big five. This is an elephant. So I finished taking my breakfast, so it's time to take you outside. And on today's videos, I had a call on my yesterday, so I wanna take one of upcoming YouTuber, because there's a day I went on another village, made a video on the river. So she told me, please, hello baby, take me there. I shoot the videos, and me nothing to be hide on this moment. I shoot the videos. You will see her later when I pick. So like in the morning, I told her you just come at my home around. So right now it's 11. So I told her just come around 11:30, you will find me. So I keep shooting these videos. So when maybe I'm going on the way, I will meet her, because from here up to Nyabuhansi it's not far, you know. So you can walk like 30 minutes, you will be there, you know. 30 to 40 minutes from my home to Nyabuhansi. Actually, she came from Nyabuhansi. So right now, I'm shooting this video from my home. So you'll see me on the road, taking her on that beautiful river as you enjoy. So anyway, guys, welcome to my mom's small kitchen. Oh, right now my mom, she was boiling, I think it's beans. Let me confirm. You know, man, don't mind. This is a cooking stick right here. Oh man, I'm telling you, man, it's beans. Wow. Guys, guess what? If you see beans, maybe we wanna have chapati, or you're gonna have rice with beans. But I'm not sure what's the plans for my mama. Wow. So anyway, guys, that's how a small kitchen looks like. Maybe if one day you came to Africa at a good time, you made this small kitchen, maybe you'll maybe try to cook their food inside here. But when you came in a good lucky, you'll find them, or in a good luck you demolish them. So it depends. So anyway, let me go outside, man, to see. Wow, let's go and see. This is our Mabati gate right here. Wow. Anyway, guys, welcome outside. Right here we have my brother, I have my baby here, we have my brother. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Samuel Mwita.
Oh, you were damn dog?
Yeah.
Damn dog. Okay. You wash clothes?
Yeah.
Okay, once more. What's your name, bro?
My name is Samuel Mwita.
Samuel Mwita.
Yeah.
Actually, brother to Hello Baby. Actually, he was the third born brother, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Your bicycle's right there.
Yeah.
Imagine, guys. She was washing clothes here. This was his sitting place. And her bicycle is right here. Right here. Look, guys. Throw you guys. You support my brother to have a new bicycle. And it's totally different with mine. I'm telling you. My brother's bicycle is purely white. Mine's somehow gray. You know. I think it's gray. Wow. Look how it looks like. And it's a reset camper. Look. Resets. It's a sport bike. Anyway, imagine back years we didn't afford these things like this. But through you guys, all your supporters, my brother, she was capable to have a bicycle which served him from maybe from home to school, from home maybe to church, from home to visit his friend or her friends outside there. Imagine, man. Wow. So each and every time when you wake up in the morning, you must have the calls. Right now, he was washing the compact shot. See, guys, no machine here to wash clothes. Just use manpower. If you don't know who is washing clothes, actually that's my brother, my real brother from my biological mother. We have only 3 boys and 1 girl. Total number, we are 4 in family, like in terms of kids. But a total number right now we are 5. Me, my brother, and another brother, sister, and mom. We are 5 in this family here. We are 5 of them. Wow. Kaya to naman sa gucha buchi rin.
And that you should have it.
You can go and fetch water. Show people how you fetch. This is a more. Oh guys, I think I wanna show you how my brother fetch water from the borehole. You know, so initially we didn't have the borehole, and we depend from my grandma borehole here, and it doesn't have water. But by God's grace, we find water in a good time. So let me show you. Wow, that's my dad's home. Let me show you. This is the borehole right now here. Wow. Afu ankora ngura kundi gota chahayo. Mawi mero to chahayo teramanchikati. So I'm telling him don't pull on the wall of the borehole, because sometimes when you pull on the wall, the soil go inside the water and make water to be dirty. Until when I cemented this one. Wow. Yeah, like that. We will move carefully. Hey. Hello, baby's brother. You see? So I'm telling you, don't pull on the wall. You see? Don't pull.
Ben.
Ingia uchukue.
Pani kwa
Imefungwa.
Pani.
Ingia uchukue.
Haiko hapo.
Iko wapi? Pani.
Kwa nyanja sana.
So my cousin was asking my brother the pan, like for making chapati, you know. So that's my cousin. How do you feel when you have the borehole around your home? Like right now, no more struggling, maybe going to the river, going to people's, maybe my neighbor's borehole fetching water. How do you feel? You feel so happy. And it's make work to be easy. Wow. That's the container all the way from the borehole. And
Iko pande ile.
go and see whether my mama toilet have the water.
Ma, nani na yeye mkiri mkakobe.
Nenda ufate huko. Wow. And guys, it's clean water. So maybe we take this one to the toilet.
Yeah.
Okay, take. Wow. Imagine from here to the toilets. What a blessing day, man, that we have here. Guys, through your support, we managed to have water. I'm telling you, at this moment, I think my sister, she was in the toilet. Just give her time. So this is my shoes for my sister. And make sure you assist my mama when I was not around. You try maybe to assist her washing like this toilet. So I think by tomorrow you wanna paint. You see, it's right there. Yeah. So you wanna paint one more, the white one. Nowadays we are enjoying. We have a nice toilet. Right now we have water. Anytime you can take shower or bath, anytime. You can wash your clothes anytime that we want. Alright? Yes. I'm trying to make, like I'm trying to change my parents' home. You know, supporting my brother and sisters, supporting my mom. Actually, all my videos I'll do here at my home. It's all about construction and maybe supporting them in terms of food, clothes, you know, those basic needs. Oh, this is what I think my sister have already finished the issues. Such green issue. Like, look, guys, look. look what we have here. Man, we have pure white tiles, and in fact I love the way my mama locked the bathroom. Toka hapo mwitata mwaga. Njoo.
Maji yamejaa. Wako kashini.
Yugo. That's my sister. That's my mom hands. Tahama gon school tiro mama. I thought would away and off. You know what I want? Tahama yoga ni. Tahama gande mo letelo ni chef.
Eno ni chef.
Tahama manchi mo. Humilio go yo mo afusi ki church.
Yeah?
Tahama afu go yo ati kufusik.
Yogori.
Mari bururi. After every time when you visit the toilet, you need to put the toilet cleaner. I thought you read ninga and wait for fruit. You give me chicken. Why don't you just reach by? Tata mama, tata sugura ni brush. Tata once and right sugura ni brush. I'm taking my brother just to wash. Ué, mam, até kufura tu sikhan. Tagi kufuri sikhan. At. Witara ako hiri jibu. Witara ako hiri jibu. Well, I think there is those spray 2.5. Iki tuimu. Nothing. Oh guys, it's orange with natural oils. No air fresher, guys. Maybe when I get money, I buy the air fresh and toilet cleaner because this toilets it's a bit expensive, you know. Okay, just pour the water inside. We visited my mom's toilet, and because I found my sister inside, she was young and she was new on these things to be used. So initially we were using in local way, but right now we use in modern way. So she was new. Okay. Yambare kera nke kuma kumunyogo yo mahara kanta kuma mukara. Tasukara ni brush. Yes. Okay. Okay. It's okay. Wash your hands. Oh, you're going outside to... Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Okay. That's my brother. Because I don't want maybe to blame my sister. She was young on these things. So you want to mop? I'm going to help you. Remember we had a somewhere. Okay, bring the solid soap. So we have the sandals right here for my family to use these things. Now kujana kufuri. So before I left, we wanna make sure that the toilet it's purely clean, you know, as we go. Oh my god. So I think I have around 30 minutes to go. It's almost be there. I'm gonna take that upcoming YouTuber, taking her to that beautiful river. Right. So let's see. Hi. And then you squeeze. Maybe it was your first day to do these things here. Para te parar, ma'am. You can start from there, coming this way. Like I'm not commanding you, it's good to help my mama. Your mom, alright? Yeah, we make work easier. We have the mopper, no bending, like making cleanness inside here. You know, life it's easy when maybe we have these things around here. I think this is the last lap. Wow. I think on tomorrow's videos, guys, I'm gonna paint once more the white because it looks like this one, but here it's a kind of total mess, this part, and I'll do it all over the toilets, going around. Do hurry up, because my time is not allowed me to be here. I'm going to pick one of our YouTubers, taking to the beautiful river, as she enjoying making maybe videos. Oh guys, my camera is overheating. Oh my god. Okay, do it. Guys, as I left my brother to do it, so let me take you around, and then as we keep exploring. Imagine right here we have the veggies, free of charge. We have the pumpkin leaves right here. When it's raining, you're gonna have maybe some fruits, pumpkin fruits, but this is leaves right here. So let me go that way as I keep showing you these things. This is my small yard. Maybe in future my dream house will be the other side. So these are the part of the compound. The toilet will be here. Let's see. Wow. Oh, we have the beautiful trees. When it's so hot right now here, we're gonna chill down here, having the sweet talk. Like, oh man. I'm telling you, I'm sharing with you this story from my village here. It's a kind hot. Imagine it's morning right here. It's around 11:20 a.m. But it's hot, man. It's hot. Ooh. But in fact, I love this place. Okay, guys. On my last video, I saw so many comments about these flowers. It's known as bougainvillea. It's bougainvillea. But I saw in the comment, I say, okay, you know, this one here. When we have the beautiful yard there in future, I'm trying to peel this one here, like one stick, we plant, so to create a good shape. So guys, I'm taking that way so to show you. Wow, before that, to go other side, let me go and greet my grandma. It's been a while, man. It's been a while. Imagine my grandma, my great grandma. So here it's my grandma home. Actually, my family is somehow extended and a nuclear family. Within here, it's extended family, but we have the nuclear family. You know, on the other side, we have one house there. We have another way. You know, that's the part of my members' family. You know, let's go and say hello to my grandmother. Like, hello, it's a long time. This is where my brother used to make bricks within this place here. Anyway, guys, in case you're new here, welcome to my great grandma right now here, and it's different. Great grandma. I came to greet grandma within here. Go. Chores. Masoge bare. Ohana kuvoka. Kyo ahekeremo. Masoge bare tichita mahu. Masoge bare. Guys, I came to greet my great grandma and I'm telling her it's hot. Mo masoge bare sana. Ego nkopate bihan. What? There is one guy passing there, greeting my grandma here. You see the umbrella right there. Aya, go kunti ndayega. Ponon kinyukia masab. I'm telling my grandma I'm heading this way. I'm going to meet with one of the YouTube. Actually, I tried to help her. In future, maybe she can able to support the family and they can support herself. So I'm trying to mentor her. On my yesterday, guys, yesterday night I had a call from her. On today, we're supposed to go on that river and I show her so she can make videos. Yeah. Ukongeande neva. Ikienda hetokenda arete. Ukongeande neva. Kwebande kabisa. Teme ke wame masaba nkwi. Latini ngevuira. Ndakora tara ikina maguta. So my grandma asked me about the kerosene, you know, to light. We have the small lamp inside the house. So I'm telling her when I remember, I will bring it to her. Ayagok. Otame. I'm telling Otame is a Korean word. Stay blessed. So I'm heading this way. When I renew, guys, I brought those paraffin. We call kerosene or paraffin, whichever the case. We have avocado trees right here. Man, in case you're new here and I don't know where I'm shooting these videos, I'm shooting these videos around my home, and it's quite a bright morning over here, Africa, Kenya, and I'm heading this way to show you some stones. Maybe you guys, if you want to watch these videos and you wanna in touch, that's what I'm doing. We have the cow here. It's grazing. Okay, look, it's grazing like that way. Okay, that's my mom's cow. That's what my mama milked that cow. So we're heading this way. So to show you one more. When I got a new member on my YouTube channel, this stones which I bought for my mom's dream house, and people around my village here where I came from feel greedy what I'm doing. But I mean, no time with negative people around my village here. No time. Where I came from, people don't believe what I'm doing. You know, they try to fake bad man names to give to me, but me, I don't care. You know, they call me Illuminati. We Floyd vibe, man. I don't care, you know, with greedy people. Imagine we're then here to other side, you know. But all in well, by God grace this year, I think on the month of March, like let me say, to be honest, from June, you will see some changes here, and you can't imagine. Wow. I love this scarf here. It's growing so big, man. It's growing so big. Wow. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello, baby calf. Within here. So, anyway, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to take my bike and meet that upcoming YouTuber. You know, when somebody asks for the help, let me help her or him. So I'm trying to advise her just to do these videos that we decide to do. Where is a village content live, traveling vlog, but right now, like you are new on this game, just do village life. Sometimes maybe when you travel maybe from your home to border town to Migori, you can maybe travel, show people how you move, you know. And in fact, the good thing is I have my motorbike which maneuver around the village all the day. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from my home here. So I'm going to pick her in Nyabohans, and then we see on the part of the videos, guys, heading to the beautiful running river, you know. Wow. Before I leave home, I meet my mama. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You're good?
I am good.
Yes, you're going to look for the firewood, maybe to cook something. Nimeona umepika maharage. Unapika na nini leo?
Chapati.
Chapati. Nowadays my family enjoy. We're gonna cook chapati. Why not rice?
Rice tulikula juicy.
Oh, tulikula juicy. Yeah, on previous we take rice. Okay, mom. You eat good as you want. You know. Sasa unaenda kupika sai chapati.
Wacha maharagwe ive kwanza.
If you don't know, guys, that's my mama, and I love her too much because she was the one who guided me to be a good son since I was kid up to nowadays. So that's the reason why maybe people ask me, hello baby, you're so good, you're so honest. It's because of the kind of my mama. She tried to advise me, and both of my parents, they were being good advisor, including my dad and my mama. But nowadays no more dads, so we just flow with my mama, supporting my mom, supporting my brothers and sisters. You know, we are ready to go, you know. Yeah, but mama, to be honest, people give me bad name in the village. They call me Illuminati. Like on my yesterday videos, like not videos, on my yesterday, to be honest, I went to check some trees for burning your bricks. But that woman again, she bring a lot of chaos in the village, chasing me away with a panga. You are Illuminati. I have the short videos here on my phone, but I don't want to put on social media because it's beyond expectation. So me, I'm decide her son to sell the bricks to return for me money. I don't want to take bricks, you know. So let me try all my expenses to buy blocks. You know, last time he do again the same mistake. I told you go and sit down, we talk with her, we report her to the village clan and all stuff. But on my yesterday evening time, even he make my day to be shorter, you know. I'm not feeling okay. Imagine mama, we agree. Ni kitu yenye tulipanga na kijana yake, apige tofali nimpe hera. Because I'm telling my mama, we make a contract, like an agreement. Her son make for me bricks. Actually, it's for my mom's bricks. And I pay the money. Right now I pay $300. So she can't return back to me the money. And then when God opened the door, I look at another money to add and buy blocks. So right now, no business with them. you know. Wewe nenda umwambie akurudishie pesa yangu.
Mtangire ngura. Hata muga yangiruga. Yesu tagate kunike tafari robia sambi tafari ya bure.
When it's depend, mama. Guys, to be honest, me I'm so tired with that family on other side. Go and tell her kid to burn the bricks and sell everything to return me money. And then maybe at the end of the month, I'll add the money to buy blocks. Me I'm so tired, mom. Nimechoka jamani. Nimechoka kwa kweli, nimechoka. Nimechoka na familia yao, nimechoka. I'm so tired of the family. Because imagine mama, her husband, he was the one who called me. Just came and show you some trees here and there. So you can cut to give me the money. We negotiate, mama. Imagine $200 for 6 trees. Because it's bigger, I can split with the power saw and burn the bricks. Her wife tried to chase me with the panga. And I think I could take her to the court. But because of my kind and honest, let's do it in local way. Tell her son to return for me money anytime. From now maybe up to May. I can use that money maybe to pay mason. Me no more bricks. I'll buy blocks, ma'am. I'll buy blocks. Because I don't like trouble. People name me like I'm Illuminati. I'm the one who caused the accident, like the kids getting accident on motorbike, mama. Imagine. Guys, sorry. Let's go. Stay tuned. Wow, guys. So right now I'm outside and I'm going to meet that upcoming YouTuber. So I'm going to take her to see the beautiful rivers and amazing view. So right now I'm outside with my bike. Wow. Big shout out to Monkey wherever you are, bro. May God bless you abundant. So you are the one who made it possible to have my bike. So guys, let's go. I left home right now. Wow. And I see my mama from other side working so hard, like exchanging. Hey mom, hey. Bye. Bye. That's my mama. Boy, that's my mama. She was exchanging the cow right here. So we keep going, guys. We have the goat right now here. Oh. I need to look because there's a guy ahead of me making dust. Look. Wow. So let's go and see indigenous trees right now. And I was coming from other side. Wow. Going and meet her for the first time. Oh, man. Wow. Probably, guys, she was calling me yesterday and I need to take her to see that place. Let's go up to an. Whoa! You good?
Yes, I'm good.
Introduce yourself.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby official channel. Yeah, my name is Felicitas. Yeah, we are going somewhere there.
Yes, yesterday you called me like you want to go and see that river.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take you. So I'm trying to mentor you and to be a good person, you know, make good videos, not shocking videos.
Yeah.
And I see some improvement. So let me stay here because of the bike. Come this way. Come this way. I see some improvement to your channel. Kasongo. Fresh. Manidani. Brundian travel rider. Kopoa. Aye. Sawa, control. That's Manidan. Unaitwa Manidan ama Mr. Dan? Mr. Dan. It's Roba_Moshi. You go, bro. Okay. You see, guys, I meet people here, including Felicitas, because yesterday we make an appointment.
Yeah.
And I'm going to support you.
Okay, thank
Yes. To show you that river, maybe one day you go there by yourself.
Yeah.
You know, because I have my motorbike here, I can maneuver around with my motorbike, maybe showing people's different places. And by watching my videos, you love that river.
Yeah.
So I want to take you guys, check Felicitas I'll take her to that river.
Yeah.
And she can make a good videos. So let's go get inside the motorbike. Oh guys, imagine. I didn't expect that I could meet you around this side here. Maybe I think I will meet you at Nyabuhanse market. Or people drop you with the motorbike?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay, you need to make maybe a nature walk to my home.
Yeah.
From here, guys, wherever you are, it's far away from here to my home. But maybe because of the money and all stuff. Wow. Oh my God. So, let's go, guys. Wow. Guys, I will keep watching these videos. Please give a like. Check who? Felistas. I really appreciate, guys, for the love and support. Heading straight. Try to imagine that's cassava right there. Which is a staple food that we have here. Guys, I'm trying to look this couple that's staying here to give them the clothes, but right now no more them. Me I go there, man. Let's go. You know, I mean, like I'm heading there. Wow, going straight. And right now it's summer season, but you can't tell. Wow, special gates and perimeter walls. I can't wait to do for my mama that way. Wow. We pass here. This is another local shop within that we have here and rental. We have the church right here. Also, you have a school here. Try to imagine. Here is where my brother and sister land. Here. Even me, I land here. And you?
Yeah, like at Kiburandi. Yeah, our village then.
Okay. I get you. Wow. We keep moving, man. As you watch these videos to the end, subscribe, guys. I need your subscription. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official here. And support Felistas to hit 1K subscriber, guys. I really appreciate. I'm trying to mentor her step by step. And I promise her, when you make 5 videos, just come for shout out. Alright? Yes, when you make 5 videos, come for shout out. Keep going straight. Wow. Yeah, after every 5 videos she came for the shout out, you know. So sometime I left her to make it by own videos, you know. If you depend maybe on too much collab, you will not go far. Oh my God, this is Nyabuhanse for you. So we are heading this way. Let's go. Wow. Hey, I see the tipper is coming, or the truck, like crazy. You see this one here? Wow. So guys, we are not, this one we are going to Priska's place, but are we heading this way? With our bike. This is another part of Nyabuhanse. Wow. See, people building, improving the way of standard of living, you can tell. Wow. Hey, let's go. We keep heading straight. Wow. That's the Sunrise Cave. You can tell in the comment section. Wow, I see 2-bedroom house right there. But we keep moving, man. Motorbike. Oh, the Felistas at the back, heading this way. Oh yeah, that is Let's go. This is another part of the village by its names. Wow. We're moving on. I'm telling you guys, it's long distance, visitors. I'm telling you, it's not like near village. It's a long distance.
So you're not yet.
Yes. Yeah, you're not yet. Somebody pulling the bicycle. Right. Imagine from my home up to that place, it can take almost 1.5 hours. Yeah, it's far. You need to struggle. Wow. We outside. Wow. Subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe, you know. Imagine you come from the other side, heading this way. Oh, Africa! Kenya! Oh. This is how the beauty of Africa looks like. Amazing! Wow! Have a bounce right here. Yeah, I need to slow down. Have the napier grass right there. Wow. Guys, I was heading this way. Me touch you and be hello. Yeah. From all the way from Nyabohanse.
From Nyabohanse to this way, Nyankore.
Nyankore. You want to sharpen knife? Usema sabukwi.
No.
Mm.
Yeah, around.
Oh, no, ne contract man.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Look. If you're watching the Jonas videos, he was introducing him. There you go. So high. You've already get a contract. You go this way. Okay, Samaki.
Yeah. Together.
Yeah. Imagine Felicitas, all the way from Nyabohanse. It's far.
Yeah.
And he put on the shoulder, come this way to sharpen the knife, axe, panga, or machete. Imagine if could were you can do this kind of job.
Yes, I can do. But
Yeah, you can do. That's the way of standard of living, to get money, like to earn small coins, so he can able to put something on table. Imagine. So anyway, guys, the vlog continues. We keep going, but I think we almost. So right now we are in Nyankore.
yeah.
Have you came here?
No, I have not.
Okay, so it was a very first time to be here.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. Imagine, guys, he get a job on this side. So where we are, guys, it's Nyankore. It's another part of the village. Imagine. So we have here a church, and also we have a public health right now here, known as Nyankore Health Care. Wow. We have the goats grazing there. Look how people building. Look how people building. The perimeter, I can't complain anymore. Kids fetching firewood. That's the kind of village life. And then we have Nyankore Primary School right here. It's an institution, and secondary also on the other side. Wow. Emlen Community Health Center, nursing home. This is a nursing home right now here. So let's go. Africa! Not what we expected, guys. At this moment within this village here. Wow. fully outside. Wow. Let's go. Oh my god, got a kid. Wow. Another truck right there. We're moving, man. Oh. Wow. It's a beautiful scenery. Green nature everywhere. That's it. Wow. Wow guys, officially we reached. So this is the river. Right now here you was watching on TV, so get out. So I wanna park my bike here. Oh. Shikeni kitu helmet.
Unaiacha hapo.
Well guys, that's Hello Baby official. Well, me I can't left my helmet here because it's expensive. Okay, hold for me, I lock the key. No, I lock the steering wheel. You know the reason why I lock the steering? If maybe somebody tried to pull, it can't go. It's rotated within here. So come along. 20. Kwanza ameenda hadi huko. Wana wareno. Tashinda kushuka. Mama koroboki. Sasa hapo utakuja ushuke hapo. Haya. Oh. Oh. Maybe. Careful. Want to help you to carry the helmet? Okay, step on there. Yeah, that's how we struggle. Yeah, so you must be very careful because sometimes, guys, we have slippery stones. So let's go. Within here, even somebody charging here the solar, you can't tell. Okay, let's go this way. Imagine. So try to imagine this water run up to River Migori and then to the largest Lake Victoria in Africa. Lake Victoria. This water that you see here, and I think right now the water level is low.
But there is this one.
It's because of that bridge there. So maybe they dig there deep.
Harvesting sand.
Yes, they harvest sand here. So first, yeah. No, that's not sand. Actually, that's another land because it's crack. So let me check whether there's somebody maybe taking shower and then I'll let you know. So probably we have some men taking shower here. Oh my God. Okay. No one is here. I think I can put my helmet here. It's okay. Because I want to film my videos. I think right here, I put, yeah, this is what you see on, like, on your phones, film my videos. And on that day, I was been there, on the other side, you know. Look how water is flowing.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, this is what you see on TV. So be careful. So sometimes this stone is slippery. I don't want maybe going in your home and then start crying. Oh, mama, I knocked my leg on the stones. So you must be very careful. We can go that way as I keep showing you. Wow, guys. So hold for me a camera like that. It's so hot. Ew. And I'm wearing, put it like this way. I'm wearing the black jacket. Yeah, so this one I'm okay. And then I'm gonna put here with my helmet. There, guys. So here you must take out the shoes. You left the shoes, so sometimes stones are very slippery. Yeah, guys, imagine we left our shoes here. So as we keep going, so you step careful. Pole. Let's go. Step on stones we go. There's no road here, you can go. So first let me try. Wow. Imagine, it's crazy. Somebody was sitting here bathing. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Wow. So Felicitas, she was waiting me there as I keep showing. Okay. I think it's okay. You can like adjust your trouser because you wanna step on water. Yes. Are you ready? Yeah, okay, come on. So my work is to hold. I don't know where there's maybe some. No, don't go there. You step there. Yes. Pole. Do it by yourself. You wait. Oh my God. You step there. Guys, we are inside here. Kanyaga hapa. Wait. Hii ingine kubwa. Oh my God. You just struggle. Look. Oh my God. Yes, slowly. Kanyaga hapa kwa mawe. Step here. So that stones are very slippery. You wait first. I testified, like I test, you know. Maybe, guys, we don't know what are inside on the water, but we keep moving on. Oh my God, don't go there. Come up aside. Oh! I manage. Come on other side. Come this way. Yes, yeah, it's slippery. But we try to manage. You manage? Oh my God. So, yeah? You want to go this way? Yeah, you scared snake? Guys, I think camera harapan yung thumbnail.
Yeah.
You must be very careful. Step there. I take you to see the view. Yes. There. Oh. Wow. Oh guys, again what is running from there, and Felicitas is enjoying. She was enjoying the view. You don't scare? No. You know, when I came here alone, I'm a man. I didn't scare. I left my bike on the other side. I was making videos here. You know, it attracts you, this river.
Yeah.
Or something hit my nails, but it's okay. These are cold water. You can wash your hand.
You can drink.
You can drink, of course. It's running water.
But early in the morning, not like now.
Right now, people have already maybe taking shower. So hold for me. I wash my face. Yeah, guys. Your son, hello baby, is washing face. Me, I'm telling you. I was planning one day when I came here alone, I could look for the deeper place to swim. Alone.
But this place it has
Some stones?
Yeah.
No.
Under the water.
There's some place where it's deep. Deeper. You know? There's some places which is deeper. So I can take shower alone and bathing or swimming. But when I get money, I went to Mombasa, enjoying. I think even I can wash my legs. As if yesterday I didn't take shower. So kita mau mati na antu kuivom.
Ntiga.
Mon,
Uko na nyoka.
kama ni sababu ya jua eh.
Yeah.
Oh, guys. That's how we do in local way, guys, you know. Mama ikahani.
Sio kumunika.
Orang mereka pembeni nanti hivi. Guys, it's summer season, so that's the reason why.
The water is sweet.
Yes, we try to cool I'm trying to cool my body. Tuone kamera yawe bone. Oh guys, so it's summer season, you can tell. So that's the reason why I'm trying to wash my face, my hands, and also my leg. What about you? You're okay?
I want to wash my hands.
You can wash.
My face.
You want to wash your face? Oh, be careful with your hair.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yes.
Alright guys, as watch these videos, please subscribe, check Felicitas YouTube channel. No, I sabi mere bone time mere video him. Wow, check her on YouTube channel. I really appreciate for the love and support. Actually guys, imagine if could your daughter subscribe to her channel. Maybe it's your sister's daughter. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. Tell my people to subscribe.
To your channel. Man.
Yes, to your channel. Subscribe to your channel. Actually, I'm trying to mentor you. So, what can you tell to my people?
If they're watching your video, they subscribe to my channel. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, because she was new and so because she was new, guys, And you know, first time when people make a video, she can maybe she can be maybe somehow maybe camera shy. But don't worry, one day you'll be a superstar and film the videos.
But nowadays I'm not shy.
You're not shy, yeah. I see your intention. You're not shy. And then, as I promise you, when you make 5 videos or 2 videos, come for the shout out. And maybe when I watch your video, you make a mistake, I'm trying to advise you. You know what, Felicitas? Here you made an errors. So I'm trying maybe, guys, one day when she was enjoying the fruit in future, they wanna be. I'm telling you, when things went right, you're enjoying. One day you remember me. One day Hello Baby helped me to push this YouTube channel. That is it, guys. So guys, we shall meet on the next videos, which is maybe tomorrow, but more videos coming. These videos, it's not at end. You are yawning?
Yeah.
You hungry? Okay, let's do faster and then you make your videos. I will take you to Nyabohansi and then as you go home, I'm branch to my home, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Wow, guys, it's time to leave here. So Felicitas, hold for me this one. Yeah, thank you for your support. So hold for me a camera. Because guys, I didn't have the cameraman. So for today, Felicitas is my cameraman.
No, I'm camera lady, not man.
Okay, camera lady.
Yeah.
So as I keep wearing this jacket,
Mm.
no. Sorry. Oh guys, so I have the camera lady here, Felicitas, for the first time to hold for me. Bring a helmet. Guys, this is my helmet, and sometimes I wear the helmet when I'm riding to the long distance. Like today, it's something else. Oh guys, it's time to leave this place. Amazing view here. So Felicitas, let's go.
Okay.
Because I want to go and upload my videos in good time. So as you keep going to your home, go and greet your parent, alright?
Okay, I will.
Yes, say much greeting from Hello Baby.
Okay, I will.
Wow. So let's go, man. Imagine, this is the bridge here. I show you on my videos. If you're watching my videos every day, I show you. In case you're new here, this is the bridge that we have here. And this is the gabion to prevent maybe overlapping of the land. You can't tell. Let me go closer. You see, there's a wire mesh right now here, and inside you have the stones, you know, an empty space to allow maybe when the water coming out. So let's go first.
Yes.
There's something hit my nail.
Oh, so,
So I'm talking about it. Huh?
what is scared?
Skin chungu. Okay. Guys, there's something maybe hits one of my nails because I was going deeper to the water. You know, sometimes going deeper to the water, it's a risk.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. So let's go. So guys, it's about to leave this place. Oh man, what's coming from other side? Wow. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And in case you're new here, check Felicitas Chris. No, you are Felicitas?
Felicitas Robbie.
Felicitas Robbie on YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So every videos, and in fact I love the way you try to talk with my audience on Premiere.
Yeah.
And I pin your link.
Yeah.
So maybe when I get a new member, they can click there and subscribe.
Yeah.
That's the best way I can promote you. Alright guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. Please guys, go and check her. Yeah. Subscribe guys. Only 1,000 subscribers.
Yes.
She was ready to go. 1,000 guys. 1,000 man. So guys, say bye.
Bye bye.
Wow guys, bye bye.